Start keto the right way. 10 smart tips to succeed from day one. Starting keto can feel like stepping into a whole new world. And honestly, that's because it is. You're not just changing what's on your plate. You're rewiring the way your body fuels itself. But here's the truth. You don't need to overcomplicate it. I've seen too many beginners fall into the trap of overanalyzing every bite, buying every keto-friendly product on the shelf, or giving up after 1 or 2 rough days. That's why I created this video, to simplify keto, help you avoid common mistakes, and give you a practical path forward, whether you're just starting out or coming back after a break. One of the biggest lessons I've learned, and this might surprise you, is to keep your journey to yourself, at least in the beginning. Telling co-workers, friends, or family that you're starting keto can invite criticism, confusion, or worse, misinformation. The media has done a great job of making keto sound extreme, when in reality, it's just a return to eating real food and cutting the sugar. So skip the debate. Let your results do the talking. When they start noticing how much better you look and feel, then you can share what's working, on your terms. Before you do anything else, take a before picture. You might not love how you look right now, but that photo will become one of your most powerful motivators. Trust me, 6 months from now, when you see the change in your body, your energy, your face, it'll blow your mind. So take that photo today. Front, side, as real as it gets. That's your day one. And while we're thinking ahead, be ready for a wardrobe overhaul. Keto can lead to major fat loss, fast. I lost over 75 pounds, and it didn't just change my weight. It changed my entire closet. Set aside a couple of your biggest outfits now. Not just for the after photo, but as a reminder of how far you've come. You might even need to budget a little for new clothes, because trust me, the change is coming. Now, let's talk about your kitchen. Don't go crazy buying everything labeled keto at the store. I made that mistake. My pantry was full of ingredients I never used. Instead, start with a simple plan. Look at 2 to 3 easy recipes you'll actually cook more than once. Grab the basics for those and ignore the rest for now. Want help choosing meals? I've got you covered. My free guide at the Digital Edge gives you 21 simple, delicious keto recipes that anyone can make. No tracking or advanced cooking skills required. At the same time, clear out the junk. If you're living with people who aren't doing keto, this might be tough, but it's doable. Figure out your trigger foods and swap them with keto versions. Crave chips? Make keto crackers. Miss bread? Try a quick chaffle or almond flour bun. I teach all of this in the free guide because staying on track isn't about willpower, it's about preparation. Here's another mindset shift. Keep keto simple. You don't need to become a nutritionist overnight. Yes, macros matter, but don't obsess. Focus on cutting carbs. Whether you use net carbs or total carbs is up to you, but either way, aim for consistency. In the beginning, you can even use basic ketone strips just to see if you're on the right track. No need for expensive monitors or complex tracking apps, unless you enjoy that sort of thing. Keep it low stress, or you'll burn out before you see results. Now, let's talk side effects. Yes, keto flu is real, but it's also preventable. As your body switches from burning sugar to burning fat, it loses electrolytes. That's what causes the fatigue, brain fog, and muscle cramps. Solution: hydrate and get your electrolytes in. There are great supplements out there, but you can also make your own with water, salt, potassium, and magnesium. Same with keto breath. You can reduce it by eating leafy greens or taking chlorophyll capsules. These small tips make a big difference in your comfort level those first couple weeks. Most importantly, remember your goal. The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to reach and stay in ketosis so your body can burn fat for fuel. That's it. Don't get distracted by people arguing over clean versus dirty keto or whether you're doing it right. Your journey is yours. As long as you're moving toward better health and cutting the carbs, you're winning. And please, don't obsess over the scale. Weight fluctuates, especially in the beginning. Instead, pay attention to how your clothes fit, how your energy feels, how your skin looks. Those are non-scale victories, and they're just as important. Inflammation will drop. Your joints will feel better. Your sleep may improve. Keto affects every part of you, not just your waistline. Finally, stay away from keto extremists. This is a lifestyle, not a cult. If someone's telling you there's only one way to do keto and everything else is wrong, ignore them. Instead, follow people who keep it real and give you tools you can actually use. I recommend The Obesity Code by Dr. Jason Fung and End Your Carb Confusion by Dr. Eric Westman, two excellent no-nonsense books if you want to dig deeper. But to get started, you don't need books. You need a few simple meals, a clean kitchen, and a mindset focused on progress, not perfection. So go grab my 21 free keto recipes right now at the digital edge 23.com/21 keto recipes. These recipes are beginner-friendly, family-approved, and designed to get you results without the stress. Keto doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to be consistent. Let's take the first step together.